Hello friends, today's video is going to be very interesting because in this video we will learn about the technical indicators, that is MACD and RSI. RSI, which is a relative strength index, and MACD is a moving average convergence and divergence, which is basically both are the momentum signal indicator. So we will learn about the strategy, how you can build the signal of like overbought and oversold. So we will learn everything in this video. So don't skip this video. We will learn in this video that how you can use this indicator to find out where is your entry and exit position. So before going ahead, let me explain what is RSI. Basically, relative strength index, which is RSI, is a momentum indicator due to which we can get to know that if the share price is overbought or oversold, or either in other terms you can say if it's undervalued or if overvalued. The common value which is used by many traders is that if RSI index is less than 30, then it's oversold and that's a good position to buy that share. And if the RSI, the value of RSI is above 70, then it's overbought. So then this is a signal that you can sell that share and you can get a profit. On other terms, you can have a sell position or you can have a short position and you can have a profit when the RSI is more than 70. I will try to break down into simple terms like how we use this indicator in our daily trading and for the long-term investment as well. So basically we will learn like how to plot RSI and how to make changes in the RSI and how we can identify and find out the trend of that stock by using the RSI. Then also we will learn about MACD, and by combining all this together, RSI and MACD, we will get a double confirmation. That's if the trend is going upward or if the share price will go down. So we will learn everything in this video. Well, that's the brief explanation of the RSI. Now we will talk about MACD and we will learn about its definition first. Then we will learn about how you can apply and how you can use the MACD to get entry into the stock and to get exit into the stock. So let's first learn about what is MACD. Basically, if we go on Google and search about MACD, moving average convergence divergence, as you can see that MACD is a trend following momentum indicator that shows the relationship between two exponential moving average of security price. So basically it has two lines. One is MACD line and other is the signal line. You might have seen so many times that there are two color up. Whenever you use the indicator of MACD, there is a blue color line and there is an orange color line. So basically, as you can see, that MACD line is a 9-day exponential moving average of MACD line is called a signal line. So which is then plotted on top of MACD line, which can function as a trigger for buy or sell signals. Basically, you can see that it's written that MACD triggers technical signal when MACD line it crosses above the signal line. So it's basically when it crosses from the bottom. As you can see on many times when you use this indicator, that blue line crosses the MACD line. So basically it's a signal for buy. When it fall below, when it crosses above, it's actually a signal for selling. Similarly, it also gives us indicator that the trend is going to be a bearish trend or whether the trend is going to be a bullish trend, because when it crosses from below, then it's definitely going to be a bullish trend. When it's cross above, it's going to be a bearish trend. Now we have learned about basic definition of the RSI and MACD. Now we will learn in this video like how you can actually plot this one on any of the share and how you can use this indicator, like which are the factor, which are the values you should know about using this indicator, and so that you can have a good trade and you can have a profit. So I will take a live example where I will use these two indicators and will explain like how you can have a double confirmation about the buy signal or about the sell signal. So here I have opened a chart of the euro versus USD. I will change the time frame from 1 hour to the weekly time frame. Here I will change here. I will get rid of this line. Just press delete this one. Now we will apply the RSI indicator and MACD. Just go into the indicator and search for the MACD and just click on this one. it will show basically the RSI index, or sorry, the MACD index below. Then I will search for the RSI index. This is our RSI index. Now it has applied over here. So here is the thing, what the things we need to learn, that what are the value for RSI and what's the MACD value. To explain better, I will change from the weekly to the daily, because it will be a much more clearer way, you can understand better way. So I will change from weekly to the daily time frame. So here I will click on the daily. So here, as you can see, by default your RSI values are set for the simple moving average. So just click on the setting button and you can change from simple moving average to exponential moving average, such as I will do here. I will click on this one and will change from simple moving average to the exponential moving average. Then if you want to change the length of the time period, then you can change the time period as well, but I will keep this one as default. If I drag this one and make it little large, and you can easily, so that you can easily see this one. So basically what's happening here, when you can see that whenever the RSI index is below 30, so basically it shows that the share price is oversold and it's a signal for you to buy that share. So if you look at this one, at this value for the RSI is almost around 24, and if you have bought at this point, then after that you can see there is an upward trend till here. Then again the RSI, its value is above 70. So just keep in mind, value, if the value is below 30, that's a signal for buy. When the value of RSI is above 70, then there is a signal for selling. But we will not go, just we will not take the trade just on the basis of RSI index, because we will apply other indicators such as MACD and stochastic and Bollinger as well. As you can see here, as the value of the RSI is above 70, so here it start going downward trend. So it start here and it make a double bottom here, then it start going into upward, that's upward trend here. Then it's, so I will actually highlight the candle where the RSI index value was less than 30. It's basically this one. So now let's check what signal the MACD was giving. So we have to check that one as well, and to get a double confirmation. So let me drag this one. So as you can clearly see that at this point the value of MACD is this one. Now if we closely look at this point, the MACD, the blue line has not crossed the yellow line. Actually the yellow line, the blue line has crossed the yellow line here, somewhere here. So I will highlight this one as well. So basically it has crossed the yellow line at this point. Let me check what's the value of our RSI index at this position. So we will drag this one basically. So at this point our RSI index value is around 34 or 35. So basically you just on the basis of RSI index you can't have a trade, because you have to look for the other indicator and other signal as well to get double confirmation. Because if you just take the trade just on the basis of RSI index, then there are high chances that you will lose your money. So we have to look for other what's the value of MACD at that time, have it have the blue line crossed yellow line or not. Similarly, if we talk about the short position or like signal for selling, we will look at this one. So as I have mentioned that the RSI index, if it's above 70, then it's a signal for selling. So let's say this one is here the value of RSI index is almost 72. So let me highlight this one. So basically, so now we will look for what's the value of the MACD at that point. Has the blue line crossed the yellow line or not? That's the how we will determine that we need to sell this stock or not. So as you can see here, blue line has crossed the yellow line just to the next candle. So after that there was a downward trend and the stock was in bearish trend. So you can easily predict on the basis of MACD and RSI where to take entry into the stock and where to exit that stock. So let me change the time frame from the daily to the 4-hourly. We will actually backtest this one because if it's working on 4-hourly and hourly as this strategy or not. I will change from the daily time frame to the 4-hourly time frame. So just click on this one, and as you can see the RSI value is almost 80 at this point, and the blue line has crossed the yellow line almost here. So after that there is a downward trend. So this is your entry point if you want to short that share. Now if I change from 4-hourly to hourly one, so let's see what signal it gave. So I have changed from 4-hourly to hourly. Now on the 1-hourly time frame, you can see that at this point our blue line has crossed the yellow line at this point, basically on this candle. So basically if you take your long position at this point, then you can see after this one there is an upward trend for a moment. So you can have a good profit if you buy that stock at this position. So guys, I hope you have learned about how to use about MACD and RSI index. And if you guys have any doubt about using this indicator for doing trade, you can comment in the comment section. I will try to answer any of your doubt. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel because I will keep uploading this kind of informative videos on my channel. And if you like this video, please like it and share it, and see you guys in next video.